Hey guys, I'm Harshpam Chandani here. Welcome back to my channel Tech on Point. In this video, we will discuss about Asus Swift 5, Swift 3, VivoBook and ZenBook series of Asus, containing 11th gen Intel chips and Iris Xe graphics. So do like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for further updates. ZenBook Flip S. In this series, Asus is offering ultra portable design along with good responses as it is a premium lineup. It features a 4K OLED Nano Edge touchscreen display with 100% sRGB and it is powered up to an 11th gen Core i7 processor paired with Intel Xe graphics and up to 16GB RAM. We can get up to 1TB SSD. The ports included in this series are two Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and an HDMI port. Asus claims that it can deliver up to 15 hours of battery on a single charge. ZenBook Flip 13. This series is having a Nano Edge Full HD OLED touchscreen display with Asus Pen. Asus claims 14 hours of battery life in it with 65 watt charging. It is powered up to an 11th gen i7 with Iris Xe graphics, 16GB RAM and up to 1TB SSD. ZenBook S series. In this series, Asus has provided up to an 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor along with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB SSD. This series also has Intel Xe graphics and weighs just 1.35 kilograms. ZenBook 14 Ultralight. This series is having 11th gen Intel CPUs with Intel Xe graphics or Nvidia's MX450 graphics. The laptops in this series weighs less than 1 kilogram and are having Nano Edge display with ultra slim bezel and 100% sRGB coverage. ZenBook Flip 15. This laptop is having a 4K UHD Nano Edge OLED display. It is having 11th gen Intel chips paired with up to GTX 1650 Ti GPU. Asus VivoBook Flip 14. It is having Intel Xe graphics with up to 11th gen Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM and 1TB SSD. It is also having Thunderbolt 4 ports. Acer Swift 5. It is having an 11th gen Core i5 or Core i7 processor and it is paired with Intel's Iris Xe graphics. The brightness of its display is 340 nits. It just weighs 1 kilogram and it is priced at $1,000, which is equivalent to 74,000 rupees. Anyway, while coming to India, its price will be increased by 5 to 15,000 rupees. Company claims that it will provide you 17 hours of battery on single charge. Acer Swift 3. It is having a 13.5-inch display with 3:2 aspect ratio. It is having 11th gen Core i5 or Core i7 processor along with up to 16GB RAM. It is also having a fingerprint sensor and it is priced at $800, which is equivalent to approximately 60,000 rupees. Its price will be increased by 5 to 15,000 rupees once it will come to India. So, now the question arises that should we wait for these laptops? Yes, you should. If your budget is above 70,000 and you can wait for a couple of months. Due to 11th gen chips, these laptops are having good battery backup. Also, they will give us better graphic performance, which will be useful in gaming and editing. This is made possible by providing Intel Iris Xe graphics. So that is it for today guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then please drop a like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Signing off.